Hello friends. Today I will tell you about permanent hair straightening at home in 15 minutes. Natural ingredients, work 100%. Hair straightening treatments at salons are so much in demand these days. The hair straightening effect is also not long lasting. Some people even have to deal with excessive hair fall problem. So, why not try something natural and straighten hair without heat? Yes, there are quite a number of natural ingredients available. When combined together, can give us better result, and that too, without any side effect. But you also have to be regular with these natural methods to straighten hair without heat. So, here we are showing you some tips to permanent hair straightening at home with all natural ingredients. Before start this video, I want to request you, please subscribe our channel for more future health and beauty tips. So let's get started. Please watch this video till end for more benefits. Ingredients you need: 1. Coconut oil. 2. 1 ripe banana. 3. Yogurt. 4. Vitamin E capsules. 5. Egg white, optional. Prepare hair straightening mask. First, take a ripe banana, peel off and cut it into small pieces. Put them in a mixer to make a smooth paste. Then transfer the banana paste into a bowl and add 1 teaspoon of coconut oil, 1 teaspoon of yogurt and 1 capsule of vitamin E oil. You can also add an egg white to the bowl. Mix everything together to make the hair mask. Also, make sure there are no lumps in the mask. How to apply hair straightening mask? Apply the mask on the hair from root to tip. It will be easy to apply if you divide your hair into small sections and apply the mask. Make sure you cover each and every hair strand. Also apply the mask to your scalp. Wrap a towel around your head. Leave it on for an hour. First wash off the hair mask with cold water and then use a mild shampoo to wash the hair. No need to use conditioner or any after wash serum on the hair after using this mask. Benefits of this hair straightening mask: you will see difference from the very first application of this natural hair straightening mask. Hair will feel softer, smoother and frizz-free. For permanent hair straightening, use this hair mask at least twice a week, and over time, your hair will become softer and straighter. Benefits of yogurt: yogurt nourishes the hair follicles and moisturizes the hair by making it more manageable and shiny. It contains milk protein that helps to straighten the hair naturally without imparting any dryness or dullness. The lactic acid and zinc present in yogurt stimulates blood circulation to the scalp, which leads to healthy hair growth. Benefits of banana: banana is extremely good for hair. It provides hydration to your locks and removes frizz and dryness. It is rich in potassium, carbohydrates and vitamins which make the hair soft, smooth and straight. Banana also protects the natural elasticity of the hair. Moreover, banana prevents split ends, hair breakage while promoting hair growth and controlling dandruff. Banana hair mask is also very effective to calm down itchy and irritated scalp. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, and if you think this video is helpful for others, please share it on WhatsApp and Facebook. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel for more health, beauty and home remedies tips. Bye bye. Take care.